Mileage highlights April. This is what we offer you always on the first day of the month. The new mileage highlights. And this time Miles & More puts the focus on you, as Miles & More is getting 30 years old. You can win something, yes, important. And of course, there are a lot of attractive offers which you can take to generate more miles and more points. There's a German saying which is April, April, it does what it wants. And that is what is the case right now. There are now a selection of different offers and specials which the Miles & More world has to offer. And those I will bring to you. And one of the highlights is always the mileage bargains. If you are a Lufthansa Miles & More member, you can save a lot of points by using them for the mileage bargains. We can give you only a little glimpse into it, what it is and what it will be, because the main offers are published on the 3rd of April. But with the things which I tell you, you know already, maybe there's a destination you like. But hang tight, this will be the last topic, of course, that you stay tuned. Anyways, Miles & More is celebrating 30 years of Miles & More, and that is why New York is calling. The surprise will be the main win in this raffle, and the raffle is for 2 tickets with Lufthansa in the business class to New York. The offerings timing is from the 7th, complicated, from the 7th of March until the 30th of April. So it was already offered last month. But let us start now where you can get more points. If you are looking for a finance help of your property which you're buying, and I think it's only possible in Germany, unfortunately, there you can get up to 100,000 points when you have a finance of more than 750,000 euro value. It starts with 50,000 euros value and then you get 7,500. This you can use for financing your house and the property itself, the land. Anyways, if you are getting a new financing for your property, then you can use it as well. This offer is starting on the 1st of April and ending on the 31st of May. Then we have the Miles & More online shopping offers, and there you can get up to 15 times the points normally. So it is in 40 shops in the week of the 17th to the 23rd of April where you can get 15 times the points. And in Conrad, the shop, you get 4 times the points in April and 6 times the points on the 15th and the 16th of April. Peter Hahn gives you 10 times the points. And in April, the 15th and the 16th, you get even 15 times the points. Yes, great, isn't it? Then 10 times the points in April you get in the whole April. There's no limitation. So that is Barber, Silkes Weinkeller, My Photo Book, Porsche Design, Van Graaf, and Jack Wolfskin. And in another 200 other online stores, you get the points as well. So do not forget to go via the Miles & More website to these partners where you see how many points you get that you are activated for that. Then they have in the World Shop a 20% discount on the points. Yes. And that is when you start participating in the Easter raffle. And there you find the code which you need. And this is when you go through the store, there are hints. And with those hints, you can find the word, the secret word. I don't know it. The promotion is from the 1st of April until the 11th of April. And a kind reminder, as it is the 30th year of Miles & More, they give you 3 times the points for €1/1 Swiss franc. So that means that instead of 1 point per euro, you get 3 points. Unfortunately, it's 30th birthday. They should have given 30. And it's only valid for 3 days. So that is the 30th of April until the 2nd of May. I will give you a reminder in May as well. So that will be a good thing. 3 days and 30 times the points. That would be the deal. I would like it. Then Duck Around the World. That is a promotion where you can get 10 euro and you can win 10 euro with this. And it's hashtag Duck Around the World. And here do you see the duck? This duck is called Brandy. It is bathing a duck with the suitcase. You see it? That is actually the new suitcase collection, which we have now over half a year, I think, a little bit longer. I have the suitcase as well. And if you go into one of the World Shop airport stores and you can ask for this duck as long as they last. So it can be that they're gone when you're too late. And you can get an exclusive voucher of 10 euros for all articles in the store. It starts on the 13th of April, of course, until the 31st of May. Seems to be a lot of ducks available, but I don't know. It can be only 10, but I think it should be quite many. But you have time to redeem the price until the 31st of July, starting, of course, 13th of April. Then the highest afterthought and afterlook part, especially on the German version, is the mileage bargains. The mileage bargains. Let us start with economy class. Are, for example, for Dresden, where you can get the flight for 15,000 points, award miles. The booking time, the booking period is always 3rd of April until 30th of April. For the short haul and medium haul flights, the travel time is the 15th of May until the 30th of June. The same for Asturian, Birmingham and Malta. There you can fly for 15,000 points as well. Same period, same times. But Dubai is the booking time, of course, April, starting next Monday, and 25,000 points. But the travel period would be 15th of July until the 31st of August. Wouldn't be making no sense otherwise. Premium economy, we have St. Louis for 40,000 points. As it's a long haul, it's the 15th of July until the 31st of August. The travel time, booking time, of course, April. But if you are more saying your body belongs into the business class, like my body says always to me, it is Dresden and Luxembourg, which you can use as well as a mileage bargain. 20,000 points for Dresden, 25,000 points for Luxembourg. Travel period, like always, 15th of May until 30th of June. And then we have long haul flights, which are pretty cool. Chicago, Montreal, Toronto, Dallas. That is really great. The booking time would be the 15th, the 3rd of April until the 30th of April. And the travel time would be the 15th of July until the 31st of August. That are the mileage bargains, the mileage highlights of the month of April 2023. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being part of the community. Do not forget to subscribe, to hit the notification button, the bell, and do not forget to comment. Looking forward and see you soon. Thank you so much. And tonight there will be another show with some more news and details. Thank you. Bye. I gonna.